Hey everybody, welcome. It's been a while since I posted anything, but I just wanted to give you an update on where the office build is at. I've actually got the cabinets all completed and painted and everything, and I'm installing them in the office. This is kind of the configuration that everything is going to be in. As you can see, it's a T-shaped configuration. Going to have drawers on this side, and then file cabinets over in that corner. This cabinet in the back will be underneath and will probably be used for long-term storage, like for extra printer paper or things of that nature. But just giving a close-up look at the cabinets. They are installed. Obviously the trim isn't on yet, but as you can see, I had some electrical work to do here. I had to add on either side, one over there and one over here, add outlets, because this will be like a secondary desk location, as will the one on this side will be also a secondary location. So you can see that it'll just be a mirror image going from one side to the other. But this is the cabinets installed and ready to rock and roll. I've got the wood that I'm going to be using to build the desktops, and I have to start getting it all planed down and getting it glued together. But that will be the next step, is getting the tops on these. And I'm pretty happy with how things are turning out. It looks really nice in here. I'll back up again and give you one more overall view of the setup. So there you can see how it's all going to sit. I'm standing in the entrance to the office, and over here we've got the window going out to the front of the house. So this is going to work out really good. And eventually I'll be putting cabinets up above. So it's got a bit of a vaulted ceiling in here, so it's going to kind of raise the eye as you walk in. Everything won't be at ground level, but that's where I'm at. And I'll try to keep you up to date a little bit better than I've been doing. But next one you see should have the desktops already on and installed. So we'll see you then. Bye.